Hi everyone! I want to show you our coolest marble one in the world. Sorry. With the marbles are running now. We had this in Ukraine because I'm a Ukrainian girl. But this is even cooler. I built it from 71 pieces. This is how it should look, but it's in letters here. It's shown us everything. I love the L's the best. They're the pink ones. There's glitter ones. You see? They're glittery a little bit. So, and I want to show you everything. So this is my best one. It's the marble spin. And this one is very good. I love it too. Everything is very good. And I want to show you 4 marbles of different color. Wait a minute. Дай мне. Один желтый, дай мне. Один желтый. И зеленый один. Дай зеленый. So these are only the colors that my marbles have. We have one marble. What is a marble? It's here. But it is too big, so we use only these ones because this one is not good. These ones. Yes, and I want to show you every marble. Yeah. So I will put them here, and we will start from the blue one. So I love every marble, but I play with them only blue ones and red ones. And now we will have a blue marble. Every color will start in a different. The blue one will start here, and you should press this, and it will go. I will show you. I just added some more pink ones here, so it can be the coolest marble run, and so I did it, and it is the cool. Wait for it here. But sometimes it's stuck here. And it goes, and it stops here, just here. And now we will have... Мне нужно красный. And now we will have... Нет, я сейчас... And now we'll have a red one. And so we put the blue one here. The last one will be this one because this is the coolest. Now this is nearly the same, but we started here. So that one goes like that. And like that. I think and like here. This is the coolest, but we have it in but this will go like that and already here. So it will not go here, it goes here. So I again put it in here and then press and then... Oh yes, sorry. I thought it would go here. It goes there and it stops. I thought it would, but it stops in a different place. I can't understand. But why? And we have 8 of these things, but we have 4 of these tops, and sometimes the thing I used just to stand up straight are not used to go here, but I think they are made like that because no one will care. What is it? So we will now have a yellow one, and it will go here because we use this one and this one. So I like to show you this one. Oops. It's not going. It wasn't going very good, and I will show you. goes all the way over there. And I should climb over and see where it is. Now we'll start. Now we will have a green marble, and this track is the best. I will show you these ones, and here it starts. So wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Oh, here, you see? This is my best one. Now it goes here. And again in my favorite. And it's somewhere here. I don't know. It's here. And this is my Mob Run 71 piece. Oh, this is from 105. And the here instruction 75 track pieces and this thing and 30 marbles. 29 because one is missing and they made this big one, but it can't go there. Here it's shown how it runs here, and it goes all the way in this hole. Here it shows how it runs on this thing, on this blue thing, and here it shows the wheel and the marble. And this is how it should look like, but don't mind the colors. They are not the same. But H3, but I tried to build it and it wasn't very long, but
yeah, make 2 videos, not one long.
It was a little bit hard, and I love this one. I wish I would take it to Ukraine. I wished. Bye.